Can a $15 microphone replace your expensive microphones, even in the wind? Spoiler alert, we're using it right now. Hi, this is Rick. Welcome to VidTech with Rick. Today we're going to do an unboxing and a review of this microphone. It's the AriMic. It's from, I got it from B&H. It's a lapel microphone. It's only $15. You know, it's great. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's going on here. I'm trying to find a solution to just put a microphone directly into my iPhone and use that. The included Apple headset wasn't working. It works, but it's not long enough and I can't conceal it like I'm doing now. So let's find out what's inside of this. Now, first of all, it comes with this awesome pouch. I really like this pouch. It's the AriMic Your Phone microphone. So right there, you know a clue. It's for your phone. That's great. Here's the mic itself. This seems like really good construction. It has a little doodad on here. Now, spoiler alert, I've already been playing with this. But it comes with this great mic, and it's a pretty long cable. So your standard size, I'm guessing that's, I don't know, 4 feet or something, but it's a standard size. Great. You can fit it all in this pouch. Now this pouch is kind of waterproof, it seems like. It seems like it's waterproof. It also comes with an extra clasp and little foam windscreen. Very, very good. Okay, that's something you really need. It also comes with this fuzzy windscreen, which is, I mean, a great value. Now, the funny thing about it is I was working with it. I tried to put it in. It wasn't working properly. I was like, well, what's wrong with it? It wasn't going directly into my iPhone and with this cable. I thought you needed the cable. Guess what? You don't need the cable. So I just plug it right into my little adapter here, and I can plug this right into the iPhone, and it works. And it really works good. It sounds really good. Here's what it sounds like. So it's very windy today. How's the mic doing? It's underneath my shirt, but we're gonna test out the fuzzy windscreen. I suggest always putting it underneath your clothing instead of the fuzzy windscreen, because to me, it just works a little bit better. But in windy situations, you're always gonna get bad audio. You just are. But there's a difference between really bad audio, and this wind is really going, but there's a difference between really bad audio and usable audio. So sometimes that's the nature of it. Like if you're doing a travel vlog and it is windy and you want to convey that to your viewers, well, you need to kind of show that it's windy. So you want to kind of make sure that you're heard clearly without the wind taking over. Now this is the windscreen. This is what the windscreen sounds like. Okay, so as promised, here is the fuzzy windscreen. We are testing it. I don't think it sounds as good as putting it under my shirt, but sometimes you might want to have it out. Maybe it does work better, I don't know. Well, that's what we're here to test. But it is very windy down here at the beach. Probably not as windy as it was up there, but it's pretty windy. We've got some beautiful, beautiful, now I'm backlit, so it's not gonna look so good, but I just wanna kind of tilt around to show you the different wind. I guess this is probably the worst wind, is facing this way. There's cautionary things here for me. You see that cautionary sign to not stand here because I could get swept away by all these waves. It's very windy today. They've actually closed down one of my favorite places because it's so windy. The stairs that go down to this really rocky area, they've closed that down because the waves are very, very rocky today. But this is what this little windscreen sounds like that comes with the AriMic. I think it works really well. One thing I don't like about the AriMic is that you cannot control the gain. So when you plug it into your iPhone, it is very hot. It's too hot, and it will clip and sound terrible like this. Second Death Star. Remember in the first movie when we blew up the Death Star? Well, we're going to do it again, kids, okay? So you're going to like this movie too, because we did the exact same thing that we did in that one. Remember, kids? Okay, so, anybody else have any fresh ideas? I don't know. Let's blow up the Death Star again? Okay. That's a good one. Jesus. So you just can't control the volume. Now, I'm controlling the volume because I'm using the Filmic Pro app. The Filmic Pro app, you can dial down the volume, and so therefore you get a clean sound. But if you just plug it in and try to use the regular Apple video app, to record off the video camera from the Apple iPhone, it doesn't work because the volume's just way too high and it clips. Here's some sounds of that.
Obi-Wan never told you what happened to your father. He told me you killed him. No. I am your father.
The audience. What? Yeah, it doesn't sound so good. So I really tried to use it for this other app I have called Double Take, and it just will not work. But if you realize the limitations of that, you can use the Filmic Pro app. It doesn't cost very much. It's like $15. It's well worth it. The Filmic Pro app is $15, and you can control the gain of the mic. So that way the mic sounds great. So for $15, so gosh, I guess now we're getting up to $30. But the Filmic Pro app has a lot of advantages on its own. So I've used the microphone in my MacBook as well, and it works really well. But for me, this was just I showed that shot in my demo reel. I would just go, and that was it. And that's enough for people to go, wow. Because see, it looks good. I mean, let's zoom it up. I mean, the HVX looks pretty good here. I mean, I could have tweaked it maybe a little bit more, but I mean, look at his skin tone looks great, and the lights look great. But this was a fun shoot. I had a lot of fun. This guy was funny.
Okay, make the call. Ladies, give it up for Gustavo. If you want to see some more
Gustavo.
make some noise right now.
So there is my review of this awesome microphone. I would pick it up from B&H right away, or wherever you can get it. But this is a great product. It's only $15, and it worked great for me. If this is something that you need, it comes with all these extras too, and who knows when you might need it. So I would totally pick up this Ari lapel microphone, only 15 bucks from B&H, and it's really a great value. So if you want to hear more tips like this, please join me on VidTech with Rick, video techniques, video technology, and video review products. So for your video. I like this thing. I really do.